All right, this one says Sharon makes headbands and sells them online. She is analyzing the sales of two of her most popular styles. For style A, so this is a system of inequalities, I suspect, or equations or something. So let me highlight these two things in different colors. So for style A, she has sold 40 in the first month and has had a 10% increase each month after that. Now for style B, she has sold 20 in the first month and a 15% increase after that. What is the system of equations where M is the number of months until the sales S are the same for both headbands? So these are going to be functions of M. So the first one, style A, would be S, the number of sales is equal to your initial condition, which is 40, she sold 40, and then that increased 1.1 raised to the M. Now remember, the 1.1 comes from 1 plus the percentage, which is 10%. 10% as a decimal is 0.10, okay? So that equals 1.1. Now we're going to do the exact same thing for style B. S is equal to, she sold 20, the initial amount, and then this would be 1.15 raised to the M. That comes from 1 plus 15% as a decimal. Okay, so then this is the answer. Somebody told me yesterday I was being lazy because I used the fancy rectangles around the answer. Oh, something wrong with these kids.